Why does intellectual property matter in today's world? It's all about fostering innovation, encouraging creativity, and promoting economic growth. One of the key indicators of a country's commitment to protecting intellectual property rights is the International Intellectual Property Index. The International Intellectual Property Index is a tool that measures the intellectual property environment in economies around the world. It's an initiative of the Global Innovation Policy Center, or GIPC, of the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. The index ranks countries based on 50 indicators across 9 categories, which include patents, copyrights, and trademarks, among others. The index operates on the premise that a strong intellectual property system spurs economic growth, encourages innovation, and attracts investors. It aids in establishing an objective, comprehensive view of a country's intellectual property ecosystem and how it compares with others worldwide. Now, let's talk about India's position in the index. India has shown significant progress over the years. The country has implemented a series of reforms that have improved its intellectual property environment, resulting in a rise in its rank. However, the journey is far from over. The country still has a considerable way to go in terms of strengthening its intellectual property rights protection and enforcement mechanisms. Challenges persist, particularly in areas like online piracy and enforcement against counterfeiting. To sum up, the International Intellectual Property Index is a valuable tool that offers a comprehensive view of the intellectual property environment in various countries. It highlights the importance of strong intellectual property rights in fostering innovation, driving economic growth, and attracting investment. India, while making significant strides, still has room for improvement. The country must continue to strengthen its intellectual property rights protection and enforcement mechanisms to further climb up the ranks in the index, and more importantly, to create an environment that encourages creativity, innovation, and economic growth. So remember, intellectual property is not just about protecting ideas or creations, it's about creating an environment that fosters innovation, drives economic growth, and ultimately improves lives. It's about shaping a future that values creativity and rewards innovation. And that's why intellectual property matters. It's not just about the here and now. It's about the future and the world we want to create. That, in essence, is the power and importance of intellectual property.